Hi guys! Happy Sunday sa inyong lahat. And for today, as promised, i-announce na natin yung winner natin for the May cellphone giveaway. So, ang gagawin natin si Sema is same as before. Ililista ko lahat ng videos na numberan ko siya. Tapos, gagamit tayo ng Google Randomizer to pick the video. And then from that video, kukunin natin yung mga nag-comments ng hashtag Road to 100k subs. And gagamitin natin yung YouTube comment picker to get us a winner. So, yan ang gagawin nating proseso. And then, kukuha lang muna tayo ng isang winner na may 7 days to claim the prize. You can head over sa aking Facebook page and message me para ma-validate natin na ikaw ang owner ng YouTube commenter na nanalo. So again, maraming salamat and congratulations sa nanalo. Meron tayong 100k surprise once we reach the 100k subscriber milestone. Thank you so much and God bless. Bye-bye!